My name is Luis Federico Peña. I want to take a moment before you get started just to thank you for the privilege and the opportunity to share with you the techniques that I have put together in this special training. I bless God for allowing me to prepare it for you, and I hope that God bless your life with it and for this wonderful time that you have taken to learn from it. In the fast environment of ever-changing things in this world, there is a constant that is the ever-growing amount of information that humans have to deal with every single day. In a response to these problems were created computer programs where people enter information, process it, and get accurate results in a fast way. Among these programs, there is a huge name that stands out over the others and for many years have become the de facto standard in its industry. Its name is Microsoft Excel. In this special training, you will learn all the elements that will take you from the beginning to become a power user of Excel. You will learn the different areas that go from the introduction of the application, managing workbooks, formulas and functions, data management, charts and graphics, printing and sharing, and even more. In the same way, you will learn how to enter, calculate, and analyze company data such as sales figures, sales taxes, or commissions. We will also see the tools for calculating trends, deciphering profits, creating numerical formats and visual data, how to build data models, write formulas to perform calculations in a number of ways, and present them in professional-looking charts, graphs, and histograms which give us a visual aid and feedback. Using Excel for creating reports, tracking and analyzing data. Storing and retrieving data such as client lists, employee data, and mailing lists. You will learn how to use the powerful calculation features of Excel in financial accounting statements such as cash flow, incomes, profit and loss statements, and others. You will learn how to use the Excel extensive capabilities of handling, filtering and sorting large amounts of data that will give you the results that you want in a quick and precise way. I'm gonna show you all the ins and outs of how Excel actually works for making you more productive and feel comfortable inside the application. My name is Luis Federico Peña, and I hope that you enjoy this program. So let's start the journey. God bless you.